Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to explain how to delete transaction history on GCash, and this is important because a lot of users look for this option but cannot find it. First, let's be clear about one thing. GCash does not allow users to manually delete transaction history inside the app. Every payment, cash in, cash out, transfer, and bill payment is automatically recorded and saved by GCash. This history is part of your account records and is kept for security, compliance, and tracking purposes. When you open the GCash app and tap Transactions, you'll see a full list of your past activity. There is no delete, edit, or clear button for individual transactions or the entire history. Even reinstalling the app, logging out, or changing your MPIN will not remove your transaction records. Once you log back in, the history will still appear. What you can do instead. If you only want to hide transactions from view, GCash automatically groups older transactions and only shows recent ones first. Scrolling down loads older activity, so it may look cleaner over time. If you need a fresh account view, some users choose to open a new GCash account with a different number, but this means the old account must be closed first, and the history will still remain on GCash records, even if you no longer access it. If your concern is privacy, GCash transaction history is only visible to you after logging in with your MPIN. No one else can see it unless they have access to your phone and account. If you need records removed for legal or account issues, the only option is to contact GCash customer support and explain your situation. They control account data and history retention. To contact support, open the GCash app, tap Profile, tap Help, select Submit a Ticket, choose the issue category, and explain your concern clearly. In summary, you cannot delete transaction history on GCash manually. Transaction records are permanent for security reasons. Only GCash support can handle special cases. This clears up a lot of confusion around GCash transaction history and saves you time searching for a feature that does not exist.